Good morning, everybody, and once again, welcome back in today's class. Today, we are on the day number 7, and now we are going to be start something more interesting in ServiceNow world, in ServiceNow domain. So yesterday we saw about the navigation, right? Like how navigation can be done in ServiceNow. Not completely, but a little bit we are able to do that part. Today, I would like to be spend time on the important thing that is called the user management. Don't worry, I'm not leaving anything. We will discuss these two parts later, but this is little important. We'll discuss it soon. I want to give a flavor to you guys that how you can log in and you can build the things in ServiceNow. Okay, that is the important part. So when I say that a user account need to be created, there is a format, there is a method. Okay, so how it can be done? Let me open the notepad. User management, we call it the user management. So in ServiceNow, if you want to access anything on the account as well, plus these modules, or you want to work on incident or change or problem or request or knowledge, CMDB, anything which you want to work, you need a user account. Okay, but only user will not work anything. So if I say that, let's say Hema or Hital invited me at their home. Sir, there is a marriage in my house. You also invited with family. Okay. I said, wow. I go there, but they did not introduce me with anybody. And I'm just sitting or standing at the corner. Keep quiet. Even though I know that how these marriages happen because in my house already marriage happened. So I can guide them. But I'm not able to guide because I have no role associated with me. Maybe Hima or Hital or Pravalika say, no, Atul is our sir. So if you need any guidance or if you need any help in catering kind of or food kind of things, you can reach out to Atul sir and he can guide you on that particular part. That is the one thing. I said, okay. So now it means if a user is get created, we need a role to give user. That is another important point. That is the another point. Okay. But one more thing which I would like to be add here is that group. Why group is required? Why group is required? Why group is required? Now, did you notice? Did you know? I'm not sure that how many of you know, but I experienced this thing. 2004, 5, 5, 6, or 2002, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 era. That's time when WhatsApp was not there or not that much famous. If it is there, not that much famous. We use the keyboard buttons, phone, right? And we send SMS to our friends and colleagues. Then people think, hey, sending 550 SMS one by one is taking too much time. Then what that phone gives us the functionality that you can create a group. And if you send a message in a group, it will go to everybody. We said, wow, that's awesome. Like, or you can say broadcast list kind of things you can say. I done this part. That time it was recharge of 25 rupees, 2500 message you get as a free, and we use it a lot. there was a situation then we are having less messages, means 2500 was very less for us because everything was on the message only. Call was chargeable, incoming, outgoing both was chargeable. This. So WhatsApp also having this way that what you can do, you can send individual chats or you can do individual messages, or you can create a group and send a message to the group. Very nice. In the group, there are a few things. Like if there's a group which is run, okay, let's say there's a group which is run by me. And I said only admins are allowed to send messages in this group. Number one. Okay. Now, if Hima or Hital or Nazam or Pravalika want to send message in that, they need the admin rights. But let's say I created a group where I say that 10 people are admin. Now, it is not a good practice that I can give admin rights to everybody one by one. Pravalika is admin, Hema is admin, Nazim is admin, Hidal is admin. This is very small example. Now I want to convert this example to the another thought process. Let's say we are in a company and we all are from the database team. Okay, we all from the database team. Now in the database team, we all need a ITL role, we all need a user's role, and other things are required. Now 4-person, if one person need 5 role, 4-person is equal to 20 roles. Giving 20 roles one by one is not a feasible case. So ServiceNow say let's introduce a concept called the group. Group का purpose क्या है? Group का meaning क्या है? Group is mainly a set of users who work for a common goal. Right? What is the purpose of our group? To share the knowledge, to get the knowledge. Right? If someone says, or maybe Pravalika says, or Nazam says, Atul, can you teach me or can you take class 1-1? I said no, not possible. I got these kind of offer as well. Can you do 1-1 coaching? I said no, it's not possible for me. I prefer in the group. So group is something which work for a common goal. Now, if something I need to be shared, I share in the group. Or shall I ping everybody in individual? No. If I need to be sharing any messages, any kind of documents, any kind of stuff, I just share in the group and work has been done. So now what is the way or what is the thing need to be do here? Clear है यहाँ तक? Basic understanding clear हो गया? कुछ doubt है अभी? Good. Hital, Pravalika, Nazam. Because this is the very basic thing. यहाँ पर अगर if you did mistake here or your understanding is wrong, you're building the wrong foundation. Go ahead, Hital.
Clear, sir.
Good. Now let's come here. For the time being, don't ask anything else to me because intention is to give you the access to the system so that you start using ServiceNow. What you have to do, go here and believe me, this is exercise for everybody. And you have to do this work in my PDI only. What I'm going to do has to be repeated by everybody one by one. So now what I have to do, go here, click and search for the user and admin. Okay, you will get user here. click on this. Please don't put any question that Atul, how to come this part. We will discuss these things. This is the later part. And click on the new. Okay. I am creating a user for Heathel now. Okay. What will be the process? Heathel will create user for Pravalika. Pravalika will create a user for Nazam. Nazam will create a user for Hema, because for Hema it's a lady night, so she can do it tomorrow, and Hema will do a work. No. Okay, Hema, and Hema will create a user for Jugendra. Okay, this will be the sequence. I'm creating for Heathel, and Jugendra will create a user, or everybody will create a user for. Okay, I'll give that homework. So I'm going to create a user for Heathel. Heathel will create for Pravalika. Pravalika will create for Nazam. Nazam will for Hema, and Hema for Jugendra. One more thing. This is a team effort. Don't come to me, Atul, I'm waiting for that person to create my account. It's you have to be handle this now. It's a teamwork. If Heathel is not getting user for Pravalika, you have to reach out to Heathel on message, on call, on WhatsApp. Hey, can you create my user quickly? But tomorrow in the before tomorrow class, I want everybody to complete this exercise. So come here, search for all. Go to user and come here. User ID, just put Heathel batch 14. For everybody, batch 14 should be the last one. So like this, Heathel and last name batch 14. Okay. Nothing else need to be do here. No need to be put any title, no need to put any department, no need to put or click on this. Password need reset. Just click on this. Okay. No email required, no preferred language required, nothing is required as of now. I'm again telling you no need to be do anything else. Just 4 things. Name, and this first name is like this and last name is batch 14 for everybody. Click on the right click here and save. Okay. Step number 1. Step number 2. Click on set password. Click on generate and copy, and I'm going to put it for in the chat window Heathel for you. And save password and close. Heathel user account has been created and the password has been shared there. Okay. Step number 2 has been done. Clear, everybody? This work need to be done by everybody. So be open if you have any doubt, guys, very clearly.
सर लेकिन ये स्क्रीन ही नहीं आ रही है तो.
What screen is? Okay, I'll come there. I'll come there. Wait. Okay. You have to be use my instance now. So my instance access is dev181.379 dot service -now .com. Heathel login करिए मेरी in my this thing instance.
Okay, sir.
Don't share the screen, just log in it. Hema, Publica and Nazam, any doubt?
So username and password.
I give you the username is Heathel batch 14, which I showed you, and password I ping on the chat window. Copy there and share the screen as well. Let's do together it. Hital, share your screen.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Hital, batch 14. Take the password from the chat window and paste it. Yes, login. Good. Wait, wait. Why this screen is coming? Why the screen is coming? I'm taking screen back, Hital. Don't do anything else as of now, okay?
Okay.
Because we say that whenever the user login first time, they need to be reset this password. Okay. So now I am allowing Hital to change the password. Hital, share the screen again.
Yes. Is it visible, sir?
No, not for me. Let me stop sharing and then you can share it again. Now share. Yeah, it's login now. Now
Okay.
put the current password which I ping you. Now generate the new password. Make sure that password should meet these our requirements. The password is not. Okay, scroll up. What's the error? Scroll up, scroll up. Up, scroll up. Password must not contain any user data like first name. Okay, don't put like this, Hital or batch something. Put something different. Mhm. Current password is wrong. Current password. Hital, current password. Change the current password or top one.
This one.
This one is wrong. Copy it from chat window, no? Now paste it here and then reset. Good. Now hold it. Hold it. Now let me show you something important. So now when he change the password, this heartbeat on this field. Hital, can you go on the mute, please?
Yes.
See, this heartbeat get or this heartbeat was not earlier, but now this icon, this symbol is on the screen. What this mean? This mean someone has changed the password and this field get changed. The value of this field get changed. Earlier it was true. Now it is false. This point is also important. I'll show you again this point when we go for some incident or change management. Okay, Hital, again share the screen now. Yep. Cross this.
This
Cross.
one.
Yes. Cross this as well. Now go to all. Wait.
User.
Now did you guys notice that Hital has very less options than me? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You stop Hital. Hema, Pravalika and Nazam.
Yeah. Yes, Atul. That's, I think, because
And
of her role. Yeah.
yes, and she don't have the workspaces as well. Did you notice? No workspace
Yeah.
option there.
Yes.
She don't have a global search as well, which we see yesterday. Right, Hema, Nazam and
Yes,
Pratika,
that's right.
right? So now it means, but if she's having no role, then how she can see in the all? Click on the all again. Then how she can see this thing?
Uh, yeah, maybe that's the basic user role.
Correct.
Yeah.
We will not say the basic. We'll say that is a few
Deep.
out of the
Okay.
box options available. Let's say I'm using Amazon. I just created my account on Amazon. I did not buy Amazon Prime, but still I'm able to log in Amazon website. Still able to see the components. Still able to see the catalog. Still able to order something, right? Now what we'll do? Hital, keep it like this. I'm taking the screen back to me and we'll come back again to you. Okay. Now what we will do here? We will go here and we'll go to user admin and we'll create a group. This group I am creating. You guys no need to be create any new group. Okay, because group is only once. Click new. I'll say group name is Batch14. Okay. Group email if you want to put, I'm not putting anything else as well. Parent, let's not discuss anything on that. And click on the save. And now what you have to be do, go to group member and click on the edit. And I will add Hital here. This is step number 3, adding the user in the group. सर यहाँ तो कुछ दिख नहीं रहा. Right click and refresh. But did we give any role to the user? Yes or no?
No, we did not
Yes. Now,
yet.
what is the benefit of the group here? That I will give a role to the group. And if any new member come in the group, he also will inherit the role from the group itself. So as per the best practice, never ever, I'm repeating my words, never ever give the role to the user directly. Always give a role to the group. These are the basics things you have to be remember, you have to be by heart, and it can be asked in the interview as well. Now I'll go here and give edit and give. I am giving you the admin role in my instance now. So you guys will have the similar access which I have. And now refresh and you can see this role has been given. Now if you click here, click on the Hital name and scroll down. So now Hital has told, sir, we have given only one role, right? How 28 come here? Anybody has any idea?
These were added to the group already. The roles were.
What this? We give only one role to one group, right?
Yeah.
Then how it become 28?
Okay, admin.
Go ahead, Nazam.
You make a admin.
थोड़ा सा जोर से, Nazam, please.
You make a admin of the Hital
Then what?
for all role.
Come on. If I am making admin, I should add all the rules, right?
Yeah.
Then, but I'm not having a. I just give only one rule. Let me give you example to understand this. In the families, the grandfather. Okay, let's say I say that he's my grandfather. It means he is father of my father. He's son of my grand or my son of my or my father's mother, right? So now if I say that Nazam is a father, it means he is husband of someone, right Nazam? He is son of someone, right? Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
It means we are inheriting the roles in it. So if you are a father, we are assuming that you are husband and you are son of someone. The same thing applicable here. We just give a role of admin. So if you go here, let me say, if you go here, click on the roles and search for the admin role, this one, open it. And here, if you see the magic, this role contains these 5 roles. Open one role. Let's say I'm opening employee admin. This role contains 2 roles. Let's open image admin. Okay, only this one. It means the admin role in total contains or inherit 28 roles in itself. So now can you think by giving a single role, how much privilege you have given to the Hital now? There is the power of a role here. Will you allow anybody unknown in your home at any given point of time? Say yes or no.
No, sir.
No, right? Either it's a day timing, it's a night timing. You never allow anybody. Okay, you come my home. Till the time we don't know each other, or I don't know you or you don't know me, you will not even allow me to enter in your room, in your house, in your premises as well. So the role is very critical in service now. If you are giving a role to a user, you make sure that the role is created in such a manner that it is work only for the intended thing. Now, if you invited me at your home, let's say for the birthday party, and you say that Atul sir, if you need anything, you can take it. You did not give me rights to change anything in the given options. Then we will put in the menu we'll put chow mein, momos and other things. That has been said because I don't have a role that to be changed. I have a role to have eat, not to change. He will now share his screen. Log out and log in again. Log in. Cross. Cross, cross, cross. Wait. Now did you notice? She got an admin as well. See. She got a global search as well. Click on the all. See the power of a role now. Hema, put your question.
Oh, no, no question, Atul. I just copied Jogendra's access in the chat, if you're referring to that.
How you created Jogendra access?
You remember you asked me to create for him?
But you should create in my instance, not in your PDI now.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Your PDIs, I'll ask you to get the PDI because there is some homework you have to do at your side as well. But now for the next at least 60 days, you have to be use my PDI only.
Okay. Okay, sorry.
No, be sorry. There's a specific purpose.
Right.
The purpose is I want to keep a track that you are guys doing any exercise or not.
Yeah, makes sense. Yeah, thanks.
Okay. So now our one part has been completed. So what Heathel you have to be do now? Heathel will create the user in my PDI for Pravalika. Create a user, add in the group. Your work has been done. Pravalika will create a user for Nazam and add in the group of batch 14. Work has been done. Nazam will go for the Hima and Hima will go for the Jugendra. But this is a limited exercise. Now what next need to be done? Why should assign? Heathel, you can stop sharing your screen. I'll take it back now. Okay. Okay, before I proceed, any doubt, any question in this? Anybody?
Clear so far for me. Thank you.
Good. Now, Hital, what you can do, you can go to your profile. Either you can click on the all user admin and click on the user and search user ID like Hital. And click on user profile. And if you want, you can add your email ID. Don't add your phone number. That's not required. You can add language preference as a English. Okay, you can add your title, Miss, Mrs, Mr, anything. You can add your department. To do this part, click on the double asterisk and you can select any department here. Okay, if you want, you can add your photo or anybody photo as well. These things you can do at your side now. Okay, everybody will do by their side. Now, what is the homework? You all 5 need to create minimum, I'm saying 10 users each. One minimum. Seven groups need to be created by each. मतलब ग्रुप कौन से बना है? डमी है. Users create for your mummy, your papa, your dad, your father, your brother, sister, brother, cousin, anybody names you can use it. Anybody names, but don't ask them to log in into the instance. Don't ask them. This is just for the practice. They're not our actual users. You are my actual users now. And assign minimum 7 to 10 roles. These groups. Now I'm going to the next level. Everybody clear on this requirement?
सर बस एडमिन रोल ही दे सकते हैं या फिर अलग कुछ
No,
भी
no,
दे
I'm coming.
सकते?
Think practically. Can you make an admin of myself offer your home? Think, can you make Hema as admin of your home?
नो सर.
Then it means there must be some roles in the market, in the service, not in the market, I'm saying in the service now, which has been created. This is what the exercise you have to be do. So up to this level, it's all clear. 10 users minimum, 7 groups minimum. And don't worry, I know that how to track these things so that you can leave it on me. I will see tomorrow morning that who is credited, who is not credited. Now what you have to do about the roles? Click here, come and open the roles. As of now, ServiceNow by default provide 457 role. Other than batch 14, nobody will give admin role to any other group. Nobody will give admin role to anybody else, any other group. Very clearly, I'm telling you here. Now take a note. Who will take a note today? Hema, take a note. I'm giving you some roles. Okay. And you have to give that role to the different groups. ITL. Okay. Then.
Sorry, Atul, what was the first one you said?
ITIL.
ITIL, okay.
Yes. Approval rule, approval user, this one.
Okay.
List updater. Okay. And then I'm looking for one. Approval admin. Impersonate. Impersonate. ITIL underscore admin. Okay. I'll give you one more. User underscore admin. कितने हो गए हिमा? 7 हो गए. Okay. These 7 roles, you guys, you can put in the chat window. These 7 roles you can give to your groups. Don't give all roles to one group. Give different roles to the different groups, and the user who you creating, add this 10 user in these 7 groups. किसी में 2, किसी में 1, किसी में 3, किसी में 4, like this. A user can part of multiple groups, and a group can have multiple roles. Tomorrow we are going to discuss this part. Remind me, tomorrow we are going to discuss about the data and data foundation data. This is basically about the foundation data, but I'm not want to keep you hanging for one more day, so I put up this topic today. Okay, we will discuss this about data tomorrow. Okay. Other than this, you have to be read about. What you can do, you can go here and search about like ITIL and read about this, that what role it is telling, what a user can do on this part. Okay, read about like incident. These are the different roles of incident. What a user can do if this role has been given. Now it's little complicated. Maybe you are very confused now. तो कुछ नहीं समझ में आ रहा. Don't worry, it will be done. When we go a little bit more in the depth, you will understand these things very clearly. Now the question come, Atul, ठीक है. We have created this 10 users. We have created the groups, and the roles has been given to the groups. But you say that don't share my PDI instance with anybody else. Right, Hema?
Yes.
Then how I will make sure that the role I have given to the user is working as expected? How the testing will be done? Right?
I mean, you are the admin to that instance, so you
but
will
it doesn't
be
mean
able.
that what your work is doing, you're doing a complete testing. Jogendra, you can switch off the video, right?
Right.
How to do this part? So for this thing, ServiceNow provide a functionality that is called impersonate. Impersonate. Impersonate.
Okay.
Impersonate means that I can log in as another user and see what problem he or she is facing. Okay. If you remember that I give you role as well, impersonate, right? I said that read about the impersonate role.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So what you can do? You can go here and click on the impersonate user. Click here, and now I can impersonate Heathal and impersonate. I can see what access Heathal has, what option Heathal has. So I can see like this.
Okay.
So you can see here, when I impersonate, it become red in the circle and I will be there. This means plus this become complete red from the borders. You see this border complete red. It's not from Skype, it is from the different border. This. This indicate that you are logged in as an impersonated user. So what is the fourth step in your exercise? Impersonate with user, which you created and in the group and role has been given, and see what he is able to see here, what he is not able to see here. And how you come to know? Because you have to be read about the roles. Role which I ping you or I told you, you have to be go and search those role here, read that what they're doing. Try to be follow that words and do your exercise. Clear? Everybody.
Yes, sir.
Clear.
Nazam and Pravalika.
Yes, it's clear.
If you have any doubt, if you stuck anywhere, don't message me personally. Message in the WhatsApp group, and I request everybody, please try to understand the problem statement of other and try to be answer it. Wrong or right, no need to be worried. For that I'm here. I will guide you. But I want that you should answer for that problem statement. Now it is a tool. More you do a deep dive, more you will understand. Don't think कि चलो 1 घंटा पढ़ लिया और मेरे को 5 एक्सरसाइज बोली मैंने कर ली मेरा काम हो गया. It's not like that. It is not going to work like that. If you have a thought like this, don't continue the training, please. And I can guarantee you, I can give you the written guarantee. If you're not going to do this exercise today, tomorrow you will completely forget that what to do. It is a pure experimented thing. This is my 14th batch I'm teaching. I know that what will happen tomorrow if you're not doing this exercise today. Even you forget that how to search that where the user exists. Okay. Now you have to be read about those roles. You have to create the users, you have to create the groups, and don't worry, it's my system now, it's my instance. Nothing is going to be happen. This one request, don't delete anything. If it is wrong, it's wrong, no problem. Tell me, sir, ये wrong हो गया, गलत बन गया ये. एक और बना लो. But don't try to be smart here to delete anything. Please, it is PDI. I'm using this PDI for some other work as well. So don't delete anything. Rest, it's a data. Create anything. I told you 10, 20. अपने दोस्तों के नाम पे बना लो. Because now we have a functionality called impersonate. Even though no need to be reset the password for these or set the password for these 10 users because they're not going to use in the system. Create user, add in the group, give a role, impersonate and check. And I'm going to be asked this question about this role, that what this role do. It's not ITO, it's ITIL. ITIL admin.
Okay.
ITIL approval, user list, updater, impersonate, ITIL admin, user admin. Okay, good. हाँ इतने भी बहुत है. There are many more like change manager, problem manager, request manager, catalog manager, or many more are there. We'll see with the time goes. Okay. Doubt, question, clarification. Yes, guys, doubt, question, clarification. No doubt, no question.
No, sir, it's clear.
It's all clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now let's see this part. We were discussing yesterday this thing. Now come on this. This is called the user menu. And this particular place is tell who is logged in the early morning effects. Okay, this thing tell that who is the logged in user, and there are few options available in the user profile under this user menu. One, if you want to see the profile of a user, click on this. The basic details will be there, like title, business phone, mobile number, first, and this and this. Now, Hital confused. Sir, ये तो cheating है. When you created my user, I can see many of feeds. But now when you open your instance and use your profile, you're only able to build limited one. Right, Hital?
Yes, sir.
Confusion to hai, right? What do you think, Hema? कुछ तो गड़बड़ है ना? Something is wrong, right?
Yeah, with the
Okay.
access.
नहीं access नहीं, भाई I am admin.
I mean, no, I mean, because you're still in the impersonate.
No, I'm not in the impersonator. See,
Okay.
there is no red line, no I.
Right.
Nazam, what do you think? बोलो भैया.
Sorry, Atul, even if you're a system admin or if you're, the title is system admin, does it mean you are added to all groups irrespective?
No.
Yeah.
No. I'm just having admin role, nothing else.
Yeah, which means you only have control on the
System, complete system, right?
but nothing. Yeah.
Right. So now what in this case will, because if you see, this is a view, self-service. If I click here, view as a default, I can see everything here. And also one request, don't touch anything on the system admin role, guys, or system admin profile, please. Okay, So the view is a matter here. We have a separate topic for the views in the later of this class. Just to be see that when you click on this, by default, I will go in the self-service view. That's the one part. Second part, preferences. I will not pick this up. I'll pick this tomorrow because it has a complete discussion around this. Impersonate, we have seen. This is the important next part. Elevate role. You invited me at your home for a marriage. Even though we are miles away, not sure that anybody invite me on some day, or I'm able to invite you guys at my place sometime. Okay. But you invited me and you says to the maybe the wedding planner or something that he's my good friend. In case you need any kind of a discussion, maybe financial discussions you need, program level discussions you need, you can reach out to this guy. Okay. Also, you give me authority. Atul, till the time you are in our house, you are allowed to go into the main room, and if someone needs some cash, you can get it and give the cash to that particular person. This is called a special role, and that is called security admin role. Security admin role, if I give this role to someone, if I give that role to someone, they can delete my complete instance as well. That much high risk. That much important. Okay. So what ServiceNow say that, okay, if you want to do some security work, you want to define some controls, access controls, you want to define. This term is called the ACL. We have a complete topic of ACL in the later on. Okay. But you can read a little bit about ACL. Maybe few lines will be work for you. Then we had to log in as a security admin and we have to click on the elevated role. For the time being, only this definition is required. In a simple layman language, if I can say, let's say we all go to Barbecue Nation. Till the time we are inside, we can eat as much as we want. Once you step out and you want to step in again, you have to pay the full amount. This is what this elevated role do. How it work, we will discuss in the ACL topic only, not now. But something important you have to be understand. This particular concept, this particular rule, this particular option is like for inviting a thief in your house and say, okay, boss, tera hi ghar hai, jo marzi kar le. If you don't know that person. So I did not tell you, I did not say you that guys give a security admin role to yourself. I said give only admin role. Because admin can do the basic on the basic configuration. But if I give you the security admin role, you can break, you can delete my boundaries as well. Like if you remember, I can little bit link this example. When Bhagwan Ram was in Vanvas period. Okay. And he went to search that golden deer, and what Lakshman said to Sita Maiya, that don't cross this line. Till the time this line is there and you are inside the line, you're always safe. This is what the elevated rule. Nobody can touch you. Nobody can do anything with you. You're very safe in this line. But if you cross this line, or if you allow someone to enter in this line, then you are gone. Nobody can save you then. So this elevated rule is equal to that. It's a security rule and we don't give this rule to everybody or anybody. No. Very limited people in a project, or maybe 1 or 2 people in a project have this rule. Not everyone. Clear the fundamental doubt, question and clarification. Good. Nice. I'll not proceed further now because it's too much for you for today. Okay. I'll stop recording here and we'll take a quick attendance now.